Baba Booey.
Whoa! Ha! Did you really think?
Haha, easy.
You'll pay for this!
Uh-oh.
Ah! There's gotta be something in here.
That's a little scary. I'm just gonna run away.
Get back here! I've got you now!
You fell right for my trap. Get him!
Ah! I'm dead! Creech, you're here! Get him, Creech!
No, this isn't supposed to happen. No!
Thanks, scissors.
I'm better than
Get out
you.
of here! Ah! I can't see! Ah!
Okay.
Got you! Didn't think it could got
Here he is. There's Orger. Let's kill him.
Can't kill me if you can't catch me!
Wait, Lumper. No!
Uh-oh. Hey Stag Beetle, look! I got a delicious treat for you! Oh, I forgot you're still up here. Alright, who's left?
You!
Oh, hey Olive!
This is revenge for all the times you've killed me. What?
Success!
Hey, don't speak yet. I have yet to do the... I have yet... Keep talking. Huh? Didn't even let me... Ow! Why you little... Huh? Yes, finally some... What?!
You look like the perfect blueberry for my smoothie.
No!
Oh hey, do you know what's happening here? I was hoping you could tell. Huh? What was that about? No, don't show it. Care to join me for a snack?
Your dinner is served.
That looks like eat up. Hey, watch while you're swinging thing.
I can't!
What a delicious drink. What the fuck?
Come here.
Ew, gross. Here, eat this. Hey, Plumper, look, there's a snack over there.
A snack? Where? Don't go there, Plumper.
Too bad, so sad.
Pringles, my favorite.
It's time for you to die.
Now you're in the subject.
What the? You're.
I made it to the merge? Yes! I'm gonna go celebrate it with my friends. Oh look, there they are now. Can you believe it, guys? We made merge!
Face it, Olive. You can't take all of us on. Now we're gonna kill you. Say goodnight.
Shit! Phew. For a second there, I thought I was gonna die.
Huh? What do you want?
What?! Hey, Christoph, check this out.
This is so cool.
Oh, that was a close one. Huh? What?! Huh? No. Please! No! No! Ah! There she is. I can kill her. Okay, I'm gonna do it. What the fuck? What the fuck? No, no, no! You can't kill me. I'm immortal. Hmm?
Ooh, this challenge again! Oh, let's do this! Alright, so who should I kill first? What? Already on a roll. You are going to die! Oh, really now? What about one of these webbies? Oh god, I already got like 2 people dead. I better make a run for it. Well, you're a little bit too late now, little headgears. What? Yeah, that's right. I get the most fan rolls now. Oh! Not for long. Oh, by that, what do you mean? 1, 2, 3, 10. Owie, owie, owie! Oh my god, my hands! Oh god! Wait. Plumper, I can't move. I am way too fat. Sorry, what was that? Oh. This kind of takes me back. Oh, does it now? Oh, who said that? Oh, wait, it's you. And now it is time for me to get Kid back. Oh, no, you don't. What are you doing here? I don't know. Just watching. Don't mind me. Okay. Oh my god, I can't. Oh, I can't believe I'm still standing on my own toes. This is kind of crazy. You're really helpful on that, huh? Yeah. What makes you think I'm not? This, ladies.
Oh no, it's the Democratic candidates!
I think it's time for the quick blazing round, shall we? Yes, I am. Yes. Come on, bottom Cuberty, we gotta run! Wait, why? Oh, golly, what am I gonna do? She's coming towards me! What's all that ruckus? I'm going to get to the bottom of it! Oh my god, hello! Oh my god, please don't kill me! Oh, no, I won't kill you. Yet. Oh, it feels so good to be the good Chris. What are you doing? You'll see soon enough.